Aloha. Yesterday when I was moving my Cobalt garage organizer system, when I pulled out a screw, a stream of water came gushing out, so it looks like I penetrated one of the PEX tubes, and so I'm having to cut a hole in my wall. I installed a central vacuum system in my house using 2-inch PVC with 5 drops, and I have it all set up on a remote control using a regular wet dry vac. I have a button for, for my vacuum, for my air compressor, and for my lights. This turns on my lights. This turns on my vacuum. And that central system has 5 drops. Search my YouTube channel for central vacuum and you'll see that. My home came with a Manabloc system. This is a system that controls everything that gets water in your house. The plus side is it saves a lot of money on copper pipe, but the downside is a wayward screw can penetrate it very easily. Now, the plus is when you need to work on anything, a tub, a sink, a toilet, you can turn it off right at these switches. And if you lose the switch, a pair of vice grips works very good. I changed out all the plastic fittings to brass because over time they crack and they start leaking behind the wall. Anyways, that's my manifold for all my waters, called a Manabloc PEX Plumbing System. Aloha and stay safe.